Hello, this is Chadwick, aka David, aka Tim Hall, aka John. So call me a different name because I'm tired of using my name that I was born with. I didn't pick it, I didn't name myself, and I want to use whatever name I want. Now, isn't that a Bitcoin cryptocurrency, uh, prerogative with anonymity? Something about my ID isn't quite right. I don't like it very much. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Craig Wright. And I searched here, CoinDesk Craig Wright, and you get the Craig Wright archives. And this is Craig Wright, Craig Stephen Wright, the Australian computer scientist. Very nice guy, friend of mine. He's pretty cool. He's wears hip, cool clothes, and he's just a real cool guy. He's a friend of mine. So and he's doing some stuff in the court. Says he must face trial over alleged 11 billion. I don't think he's on trial for anything because Bitcoin isn't like an FDIC regulated currency. So I don't know why the Justice Department would have any jurisdiction over that, unless there's something like NWO or the New World Order or something like that. So I'm going down to Miami. And here's my itinerary. I leave from Augusta and fly to Charlotte, and then from Charlotte to Miami. And I leave at 2:26 p.m. and arrive at 7:10 p.m. And then I return on April 3rd from Miami to Charlotte, and then back to Augusta, where I live here in South Carolina for the meantime. If you want to meet me at the airport or have any questions, I'm definitely going to send some information to Daniel at CoinDesk for his. I'm sure he'll do a small one-page report on the April 1st proceedings and Judge Bloom and the Miami-Dade courthouse in Miami with Craig Wright. And we don't even know if Craig Wright will be there. His attorneys just may be there. So we'll see. I'm going to go in. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to have a little bit to say. And then that's going to be the rest of the time. I'm going to be having fun in the sun in Miami. Woohoo! Yeah, party in Miami. All right. So, and this Craig Wright thing is about the 1FX address, which I am the clown who bought that Bitcoin on March 1st, 2011 in Arkansas from an exchange. You can read up all about it. I've told everybody about it. So there's still been 0 withdrawals, which is kind of odd because the information is out there to open the account. So we must have some very trustworthy, honest people, or just some real incompetent fools. So, yeah, this is going to be great. And I use screen recorder, free screen recorder, Screencast-O-Matic. I always like to include my links for my apps and stuff. If you want to look at CoinMarketCap, and it's one of my favorite websites to see the top 50 coins, the top 100 coins. If you're looking for an investment, I made a small purchase about 2 weeks ago and doubled in 24 hours, and I was really happy. I'm in it for the long term though, but I'm comfortable with it because I know it's worth twice my initial investment. So even if it goes down, it doesn't really hit me or accounts. I don't feel bad about it. So here we've got Bitcoin at 55,797. I'm not sure if it broke an all-time high yesterday or not. I haven't been keeping up real well with it. I know it went to 57,200 and something, 288 or 281 yesterday, and I thought that was pretty cool. That 1FX address was worth, and here you can see the USD equivalent right now at 9 a.m. East Coast time. It's worth 4,451,905,281.68. If you guys have any ideas of what you could really do with 79,000 Bitcoin, because that's the USD estimate, but surely you can't just get $4 billion in cash from the governments of the world and store them in semis in your front yard or whatever, which might not be a bad idea really until cash isn't worth anything. So, me or something, I might be able to sell a Bitcoin or two on localbitcoins.com. That's about as far as I could take it. So let me know your thoughts on how you would spend 79,957 Bitcoin in the comments below. And also let me know your thoughts on who you believe you could send a large amount to and get the most property for it. You know, the hard goods. We're talking cars, homes, airplanes, that kind of thing. So let me know your thoughts on how you would spend it or how you would cash it out. I'd really be interested in hearing it. Back to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is an excellent place to find your coins for investment at any time of the year. If you look here at the top 50 coins, or I guess here we have the top 100, which is top 100. Wow. CoinMarketCap, let's see here. We've got top 200 coins. All right. So the top 200 coins is a pretty good bet. You know, me or something, I would just kind of stroll through and look at this high finance. I don't know. It's got 22,000 of volume, which isn't very much and stuff, but it's only a penny, you know. So the breakout potential for the, you know, that one fee X address had a profit margin of 5.5 million% on my investment, or something real close to it. So that's just ridiculous. You know, there's no way to let somebody that put such a small amount of money into it and became worth so much. They just won't let you have it. I think that might be one of the arguments. So I just kind of stroll here and look at this one's a nickel, this one's 7 cents, you know, that one's 14 cents. I kind of like the penny coins. I like to play them with $100 or $200 and hold them for a while. Here's one VHOR token. You know, as long as it doesn't go out of business or something, it's been up 12.38% in the last 7 days. 12.38% is great, and if you can buy them for two for a penny, then you know, $100 will get you 20,000 VHOR token. You know, and if they go to $1, that's $20,000, and that was $100. So that's the kind of breakout potential that's possible when you invest in these. In New York, the New York Stock Exchange, who we all are also send our hearts out to. They're great people, and we contract security with them and all kinds of stuff. They're real neat. And so, you know, if you invest $2,000 or something, and most people that have $2,000, they want to invest in Bitcoin because that's what everybody says. But if you took, say, $1,000 and bought 10 coins that were worth a penny or less that were on the top 200 on CoinMarketCap, that would be a pretty, I would consider that to be a pretty safe move, you know. I don't know, that's just the way I am, but you know what I mean? I took 300 and I think $319.49 and turned it into you know, $4.5 billion. So, and that's what the total investment on the account was, including June 3rd buy on the 1PX address. I'll refer to it again here. Every now and then I check that to see if it's been withdrawn. I expect that if it was withdrawn, I'd probably hear it, especially if they drew something like 10 or 20%, which I think would be probably acceptable. So do check out CoinMarketCap, and look, there's one for 3 cents. Fun fair. You need to check out on these stats on these coins before you buy them if they're a penny or less, okay? And then on the top 200 on CoinMarketCap, you need to look at how long the coin's been a coin. You need to look at the volume, and you just kind of want to make sure that it's not going to go out of business totally, because I don't really know what it takes to get on the top 200 CoinMarketCap, but you know, you just want to make sure you have a good investment. So kind of, you know, don't invest money you don't have to lose. If you can lose it and you're going to throw it away, or you have money you don't want to spend it on, maybe you spend money on eBay stuff, or you buy these things or those things, and you want to spend it on something else. So you just want to throw your money away. Do it in the crypto market. Hold your coins on a hardware wallet like Trezor, or SafePal, or Ledger, or Cassie, or you know, any of those hardware wallets that are popular now on Amazon, or KeepKey is a good one too. And you know, some of these coins, this coin went up 58% in the last 7 days. These are the kind of profits we're talking about. This coin went up 42%, and we want the 1,000%. That's the kind of thing that's exciting, that'll really get you on your toes. It's really neat. You know, it's kind of like winning the lottery. That one went up 69%. It's a nickel. That'll be a good one to buy. ANKR has a healthier volume than those other coins that were a little less volume. It has $404 million in volume. So that's probably a good investment. I would recommend that. Good one. Reef is probably, might be too. We'll just see, So don't be afraid to invest. Throw money at it. You'll get lucky. And do keep up on Craig Wright and his antics with the court. It's really quite comical. I don't think anything wrong is going to come out of it. I don't think Craig's not going to go to jail or be fined or anything. He's not going to get disciplined. I don't think the court really has jurisdiction over a Bitcoin account. That's not even FDIC regulated. It's decentralized blockchain type stuff. And so trial might be a little bit of a harsher word. Maybe something like hearing or something. Donate to your favorite church today, favorite charity, do something nice for somebody. Be true to yourself and watch my videos, subscribe, like, and comment. Like I said, comment on what you would do with 79,957 Bitcoin. Well, I'll correct that. What would you do with 79,956 Bitcoin? Because those 1.2 Bitcoins belong to Craig Wright. Whoever has been depositing these micro deposits in the account for several years. Thank you for watching my video. If you can catch me in Miami, I'm gonna go down there and party. I'm probably gonna go to some clubs, and I'm gonna go to the courthouse on April 1st. Check out the beach. So, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. See you on the other side.